Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews and insights on the latest gadgets and accessories. Today, we've got something exciting for all you Oculus Quest 2 owners out there: the VRPark Original Right-Hand Controller. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. So, as you can see, we've got the VRPark Original Right-Hand Controller in our hands today. This accessory is designed specifically for the Oculus Quest 2, and it promises to bring your real hand into virtual environments. Now, let's break down the key details. First and foremost, it's essential to note that this controller is compatible with Oculus Quest 2 only. If you have the original Oculus Quest, this won't work for you. Make sure you've got the right hardware. What sets this controller apart is its ability to mimic natural gestures and finger movement, creating a *** sense of true hand presence * in the virtual world. This promises a more realistic, memorable, and tactile VR experience, which is precisely what we're all looking for in VR, right? Now, remember, this is an accessory, so the ** Oculus Quest 2 headset is sold separately. Don't expect to find it bundled together. Also, keep in mind that the product might come in a generic box, but that's just a minor detail. Okay, so let's talk about the user experience. We've spent some quality time with this controller, and here's what we found. The setup process was straightforward, and within minutes, we were inside our favorite VR games. The controller fits comfortably in the hand, and the tracking was impressively accurate. We were able to pick up objects, make gestures, and interact with the virtual world seamlessly. Playing games with this controller was a blast. The haptic feedback added an extra layer of immersion, and we found ourselves forgetting that we were in our living room. It truly elevates the Oculus Quest 2 experience. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Let's talk about a few drawbacks we noticed. Firstly, and this is a big one, it's only a * single controller. If you're used to having both hands in the virtual world, you might find this limitation a bit frustrating. You'll still need the standard Oculus Quest 2 controller for your left hand. Also, the generic box packaging might not be very appealing if you're someone who cares about presentation. It's not a deal breaker, but it's worth mentioning. Now, let's get to the big question. How much will this set you back? At the time of this review, the VRPark Original Right-Hand Controller. Now, the value here will depend on how much you value that enhanced VR experience. So, to wrap it up, the VRPark Original Right-Hand Controller for the Oculus Quest 2 is a game-changer for those looking to take their virtual reality adventures to the next level. It brings a new level of immersion and interaction to the table, making your VR experiences more memorable and enjoyable. Just remember, it's compatible with the Oculus Quest 2 only, and you'll still need the standard left-hand controller for a full experience. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're an Oculus Quest 2 owner, this might be a game-changer for you. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy gaming, and stay tuned for more exciting reviews here on Product Critique.